So, Dave had to buy glow sticks today. And he said something about bringing them in the bath. But this is the coolest bath I think I've ever seen. And you can't see Eli very well, but he is loving it. Oh, there he goes.
I got it. There's the colors. And there's the colors. Ooh.
Eli, what do you think of your bath? Is it? You like it? Is it awesome?
Ow! Up.
That was Frankie burping.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Very, very cool. Very cool idea, Dave.
This is a shine.
Tuga, shine, shine. Tuga, shine, shine, shine.